This is under at 20i. With HostShop, you can resell domain privacy as an add-on to the purchase of domain names themselves. In order to set up domain privacy, you'll need to first make sure that you're logged into the my.20i control panel. Once logged in, you'll then want to head to the HostShop section, and then from there, you'll then want to select the product catalog icon. After doing so, you'll then want to select the Domain Names tab. From here, you can give your domain privacy product a name and a price. In our example, we've given domain privacy a price of £5.99 per year, meaning you make a markup from the original 20i reseller price of £3.49. As we can see, if we now head on over to our HostShop installation, if we go to our client area, we should then be able to order domain privacy for any domains that are in our HostShop account. We hope this has helped. If you have any further queries, please get in touch with our support team and we'll be more than happy to help.